The brain is one of the precious parts of most living beings. Because of this, it is naturally protected against physical injuries by the help of the skull, cerebrospinal fluid, and protective membranes called meninges. Another protective element is the blood-brain barrier. As the name suggests, this is the barrier between the brain's blood vessel and the cells and other components that make up the brain tissue. Whereas the skull, meninges, and cerebrospinal fluid protect against physical damage, the blood-brain barrier provides a defense against disease-causing pathogens and toxins that may be present in our blood. The blood-brain barrier is generally very effective at preventing unwanted substances from accessing the brain, which has a downside. The vast majority of potential drug treatments do not readily cross the barrier, posing a huge impediment to treating mental and neurological disorders. One possible way around this problem is to trick the blood-brain barrier into allowing passage of the drug. This is the so-called Trojan horse approach, in which the drug is fused to a molecule that can pass the blood-brain barrier via a transporter protein. This is the same method used by Neutrobots, a tiny robot that can carry cancer drugs through the blood-brain barrier without setting off an immune reaction. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our posts. This is the home of innovation in healthcare, and you're welcome to Tekipharm. A team of researchers from the Harbin Institute of Technology, along with partners at the first affiliated hospital of Harbin Medical University, both in China, has developed a tiny robot that can carry cancer drugs through the blood-brain barrier without setting off an immune reaction. For many years, medical scientists have sought ways to deliver drugs to the brain to treat health conditions such as brain cancers. Because the brain is protected by the skull, it is extremely difficult to inject them directly. Researchers have also been stopped in their efforts by the blood-brain barrier, a filtering mechanism in the capillaries that supply blood to the brain, and spinal cord that blocks foreign substances from entering. Thus, simply injecting drugs into the bloodstream is not an option. In this new effort, the researchers used a defense cell type that naturally passes through the blood-brain barrier to carry drug to the brain. Glioblastoma multiforme, the most aggressive and most common form of malignant brain tumor, has a median survival time of only 12 to 17 months, with current treatments such as radiotherapy, chemotherapy, and surgical excision even when these are combined. In the future, however, the researchers believe their novel delivery system could provide a promising pathway to precision biomedicine for humans. To build a tiny robot, first they use iron oxide to form a magnetic nanogel functioning as the base of the delivery system. This contains paclitaxel, a chemotherapy medication known to be active against gliomas and various brain metastases. They then coated this nanogel with a surrounding membrane derived from the bacteria E. coli, giving the appearance of a dangerous pathogen. This outside layer also prevented the leakage of the drug. Finally, they exposed the coated nanogel to a neutrophil, a type of white blood cell that fights infection, to ensure it will be absorbed and disguised during its journey from the bloodstream into the brain, where they were not attacked as the immune system identified them as normal neutrophils, and into the brain and the tumor. Once there, the robots released their cancer-fighting drugs. Are you excited about this new method of drug delivery? Let us know your thoughts about this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. I will see you soon.